International School in Ho Chi Minh City. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to this afternoon's gala concert, and we're delighted to be hosting it on behalf of Fobisia, and it's part of a primary performing arts carnival. So over the weekend, go stretch it back to last Friday as well, the children not only been rehearsing for the concert, but they've been in a variety of performing arts related workshops, some of them musical, some of them related to drama, some of them related to dance. It's a sobering thought for teachers because it's very well documented that children forget most of what we teach them in school when they go on to become adults. But it's also very well documented that the things that adults remember from school are events like this afternoon, and in fact the last few days. And I'm sure that we will have some lifelong memories that children will be taken away from their time in Vietnam. Before we start, can I just ask you a couple of obvious things. Firstly, if you have a mobile phone with you, I can ask you to turn it off. Please always turn it to silent. Can I try to ask you to minimise movement? Now that's a big ask given what I've seen over the last 10 minutes with parents everywhere. Obviously wanting to take photos of their children, but please remember every time you stand up the person behind can't see. So try and keep that to an absolute minimum and also keep the conversation down so we don't distract our performers. I've popped in and out of school a number of times over the weekend and I've seen the children and the teachers working very hard. So I know that you're going to be in for a real treat this afternoon. Please enjoy the concert. Thank you.
Thank you, Sean. Our first item is Singing in the Rain from the choir, conducted by Lizzie Hull from Tanglin Trust School and accompanied by Esther Judd from Seoul Foreign School.